Katkam sir, that you have spared your valuable time with us. Okay, sir, please, I will request you to give some important notes or the important tips to our students, wherein they can take up this particular domain in for their career. Thank you, sir. Unmute your mic, sir. So your
Yeah,
mic
okay.
is in.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'm unmuting. Thanks a lot, Mr. Kedarnath, for the introduction, and it is a great honor for Maven Silicon to have an introductory meeting on this before we go to the real live webinar on some other day, which Ms. Premalata will organize. What I would like to say to the budding engineers is that you are in the right time in the right place. I would say, because this COVID has changed for some things for good, some things for worse. But the goodness is that this semiconductor industry, which was always thought like a disorganized sector, and only the software industry is the organized sector, proved wrong to many of the critics, that this semiconductor industry stood very high facing this COVID in manufacturing those processors and chips which are required for the not only the healthcare industry, which is necessity for now, but also for the aviation, for automobile, which is going to be the future is going to be driverless vehicles. There are so many things which are going to happen in transportation and commuting from home to work or home to college. So many things. Okay, so this advanced technology growth is happening all of a sudden in India because of the present government. I'm not any political party, but because of the engineers who are making this big change. It is not the parties, political parties. People like you who joined from Y2K onwards have made the tremendous growth for India and our nation. So I would like to thank you all for joining this short seminar or webinar, what we call. My colleague will introduce you to the lengthy part of a webinar which will come up on a future date. But right now, as Dr. Kedarnath had mentioned, that there is a tremendous growth for the hardware in the hardware industry, and particularly for the chip in the chip industry segment, because not the budding engineers from only EEE or ECE, but many are coming to learn this VLSI at our academy in Bangalore, and they are being positioned in most of the top MNC companies here in India, which is design services companies here, and some of them are moved to US and other locations in Hong Kong, Malaysia, Singapore, Taiwan, and even to Beijing in China. Yes, we are having some problems with China, but those are temporary. I think they will sort it out, because the growth of India, not only India, the growth of the world is depending on semiconductor industry at this moment. Because when we talk about mobile phones, when I started my mobile phone, I would like to tell a small story, Kedarnathji.
Please, sir. Please, sir.
So that the mobile phone used to be the size of a telephone, the telephone wireless handset we used to
Yeah,
call.
I have used NE110 1100, right?
Yeah,
Even I
so
have
huge.
used it.
Yeah,
That's a
so
good
huge
design.
it used to be. Now we are using such a thin one. What made it possible is because of the processor, the technology in the chip, which changed it, the kind of innovation which happened over the last 10 to 2 decades, I could say. Yeah, but the last 2 years made a lot of changes. People like you, engineers, would have seen and experienced the smartphones. What all you are able to do, which was unimaginable about 2 decades ago. We were only using for telephony and a few text 20 years back. Now we are able to watch movies. We are able to interact. We are also trying to learn with the interactive lessons online through smartphones. Now that is where our MD and CEO and author of our Maven Silicon, Mr. Sivakumar, came up with an idea last year itself to digitally transform these VLSI courses. And intelligently, he used the best of cloud-based technologies along with the best simulation technologies available to extend this to the students, because he himself is a triple E engineer from Madurai Kamaraj University. He had some pain points. To remove those pain points for the budding engineers to get into semiconductor industry, he has created these courses, and he introduces this every module. He introduces the the value of the course and how it has to be applied. And it is not just a self-paced learning. We are also having it as a blended model. So our technical staff of 15 engineers who are 10 plus years experience in the industry are going to handhold them and walk them through the entire training program, and make sure they are going to while they graduate, they are also going to have a certificate from Maven Silicon, which is now a partner for IESA, a partner for and has been chosen the designated partner for the global level by RISC-V. I would like to say what is the RISC-V to the budding engineers is that we have been always using ARM. ARM is like Apple. Okay. Now Linux Foundation was started to counter the monopoly of Microsoft, Apple, and so on. So Linux Foundation has come up the similar way for entering into the hardware industry to open up a segment called RISC-V, and they are spread across almost like already 50 countries. Okay, and India is one of the prominent countries, and we are selected as the first training partner from India at the global level. We are going to come up with courses on that as well simultaneously. So I will leave it to my colleague Dinesh to give the students an idea about what the next webinar, which will be for 3 hours, where they will experience. We are going to give them the access of SOC design course, which is a 1.5 hour course. We are going to give it free to them for them to experience and then come back with their feedback. And then I wanted them to get enrolled to this particular program in VLSI design and verification. Thank you so much, Mr. Kedarnath and
Very nice of you, sir. Very nice of you. Thank you very much for your introductory and about your course.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot, sir. Thanks for sparing your valuable time.
Yeah. Dinesh, you can take over.
Okay. Thank you, Katakam. Yeah. Hi, everyone. My name is Dinesh.
Dinesh.
Good morning, sir.
Hi, good morning. Yeah. Good afternoon.
I handle academia at Maven Silicon. Okay. Before I start, I want to know that which year students have joined. Are they of second year, third year, and fourth year?
So they are third year. At present, they are in
third year and final year.
In second year, and few of them fourth year. All. So we have taken the mix of all students.
Okay, sir. So I would like to mention to you and the students as well, sir. As Maven Silicon, we offer a cloud-based VLSI training. Okay. Now this training was made to bridge the gap between semiconductor industry and the academia. In this, what we have done is we have introduced 3 courses. One is for the second year students, one is for the third year students, and one is for the fourth year students. Now, especially for second and third year students, the program will start itself in second year onwards. As now, currently the students are in 4th semester and 6th semester. They will enter into 4th and 6th semester from January. So they can start their course from 4th semester and 6th semester onwards. And both of the students of both the years will finish the course by 7th semester. So it is a long course, I understand, but the knowledge that we are giving is important because, you know, we can't give this knowledge in a 2 days workshop or a 3 days workshop. It is a big course. And in this course, the student will learn about the front-end courses. The front-end courses of VLSI, which includes design and verification. So they will do design, they will learn verification, they will do the industry standard projects with us in their 7th semester. I hope I am clear till now.
Yeah.
So with 7th semester, they will finish the industry standard projects with us. Also, students can do your mini and major project as well with us in VLSI. And if you want to do your internship also, that also you can do at Maven Silicon, which is completely online. So you don't have to come physically here and do it. That is not needed because of the COVID. So, and also our course is also online. So we are not going to send any teachers to you because, you know, you students are busy from 9 to 4, you have classes. So we have made our videos in such a way that these are self-explanatory. So you can watch it at your comfortable time at your place. So up till now, 7th semester, we will finish the course. Now 8th semester is very important. In 8th semester, we will bring companies for you for the placement. Now, as a Maven Silicon company, we we have tied up with around more than 200 companies across India. 200. So we are going to ask those companies to come to your college and take your interviews, whether online or offline. It depends upon them. I think it will be online only, mostly because of the COVID. So they're going to ask questions on VLSI, as you have done course with us on VLSI. So we are going to make you prepare for those companies as well. We are going to give you in 8th semester the soft skill training and the group discussion training, and the important things about VLSI. Your industry standard projects are already there. So we are going to make sure that each one of you gets the placement. Whoever will join the VLSI course with us, we make sure that each one of you will get the placement. From our side, we make sure that each student will at least sit into 4 to 5 interviews. This is what we can promise from our side. But you have to be meritorious. It is not that you go home and you don't watch our video and you don't do the assignments, because we are going to take the full responsibility of you for completing the course. We have designed many things for you, and we are going to support you in many ways. Now, but the support model that we have created for you is which I'm going to tell you right now, the major points. First of all, we are going to give you videos which you can watch at your home at any time, which I've already told you. After that, we are going to create a WhatsApp group where you can ask your doubts every day from our experienced trainers. Any day, at any time of the day, you can ask those doubts. If you are watching a video, you got a doubt, you can ask it. Okay, and we will try to solve the doubt at that time only. Now, we are also going to give you an email technical support also. Okay, if from our side we have to send you some graphs or some designs where which the file is huge, or we are not able to send you on WhatsApp, so we are going to give you the email technical support also. Okay. Important thing, every week we are going to conduct one live session every week. So for example, from Monday to Friday, you will watch the video. Okay. And then on Saturday or Sunday, if you are free, or might be on Monday, it depends upon you. It's very flexible. Okay. On Monday, you all will come online, and then whatever doubts you have that you faced in the last week, or while watching video, or doing any assignment or anything, for that, there will be a live session. Our best trainers will be there for you online, and the live session can go for 1 hour or 2 hours. It depends upon your doubts and queries. So every week there will be a live session, and every day WhatsApp technical support. And as we are already telling you, 8th semester is very important, because we are going to bring companies for you in 8th semester. Okay. And now, apart from that, we are going to give you the VPN access, so that you can use those tools which are very expensive in VLSI, which Maven Silicon has already bought. Okay. Now the tools that you need are from Cadence or Synopsys. Now these tools we have already bought, so these tools are free for you. So you can access those tools through VPN, and you can do the labs at that time. So there is no need to spend any extra money on the tools to the college also, and for the students also. It's a benefit for both of them. And also, the major important thing is, after your graduation also, we are going to give you full support. Now, for example, out of 20 students, if we are able to place 19 students, for example, 19 are placed and 1 is left, only 1. That 1 student also, we make sure that it get placed. So after his or her graduation, that student will always be there at Maven Silicon. He will be available. Our trainers are going to take care of him, and he will do more projects with us. We will give him more assignments, more homework. If it is necessary, we will push him, and then we will make him sit again for companies. So we make sure that each and every student gets placed. From our side, we will give our best effort. From student side, what you have to do, you only have to watch the videos and learn them properly. And then on every week, you come on the our weekly live sessions where you can ask your doubts from our trainers. And do not hesitate, please, while asking the doubts. You have any doubt, please ask on design, on verification, whatever module you are doing at that present time. And to decrease your burden, these videos are not very long. These videos are not like it will consume your day's time of 1 hour or 2 hour. No, these are very short videos. Now, these videos has an immense amount of knowledge. So we do not want to give you so much knowledge in just 1 hour. So it is just 20 to 30 minutes per day. You have to watch 20 to 30 minutes, analyze it, do your assignment on it, and then ask the doubt on WhatsApp if you have any. And then obviously on the weekly live question and answer session. So we will make sure that we are not burdening you because you already have to do so many assignments from the college. You have so many subjects. You are busy from 9 to 4. That's why we are not able to do any offline class because you guys are very busy. So that's why we have to take care that everything goes online. So you can watch that video of half an hour daily at night or any suitable time that you want in the morning or lunchtime, anytime. And then just try to complete the modules that we give you, because we are going to conduct the assignments and your analysis, and that analysis we will submit to your parents as well, and we will submit to the HOD sir, Dr. Kedarnath also. We are going to submit that your reports to everyone, that this is how your students are performing till now. Because from our side, if I tell you very honestly, we can get to know that whether you have watched the video or not. So from our side, we can see that how much video you have watched. It is a 15 minutes video and you watched it for only 5 minutes and then you did not watch it. So we can check all these things. And also we will give you the assignments. The live tests also will happen. The live test is not that we will give you assignments, you can go home and do the assignment or copy paste it. No. You, in the sessions, we are going to ask the questions live, and if you will not be able to answer, then you have to go and watch those videos again, because we will conduct a special session again for you, for the students who are not able to answer those queries. So we make sure that we take each student along with us on the same path and on this same amazing journey. And on the next, on the webinar, as Mr. Katakam told, that we will organize one webinar for you. Okay, in the 2 days or 3 days max, after days discussing with Dr. Kedarnath sir and ma'am, Premlata ma'am. In the webinar, we will give you one free access. We will create a login ID and password for you so that you can see how good our videos are. So that you can have an idea that this is you are going to watch for the next 1 year or 2 years. And this is the video. So we will give you a video on SOC design so that you can watch it for 1 hour and you see whether are you able to understand the video or not. And after that only you decide whether you want to take this course or not. So we are not putting any pressure on you that you have to take it. You watch the video, because from our side, we are very confident that our CEO has only made these videos personally. All this full video, our CEO, Mr. Shiv Kumar, who has 20 plus years of experience in VLSI, he only has made those videos. So he has not told to any trainer also to make those videos. No, he made sure that my course should be the best in this segment. So he has particularly made the videos by himself. So you will watch those videos only, and webinar is just to give you an inside look that how these videos are. So after the webinar, once you watch the video in the webinar, then interested students can give your names to Premlata ma'am, that ma'am, we are interested, and we want to pursue VLSI in the future, and we want to pursue it with Maven Silicon. So this is what you can decide after watching the video on the webinar. And other important details also, if you have any questions, you can ask right now. And our trainer also, I would ask our head of the trainer, Mr. Satish, to to also join the webinar. He will also come to join the webinar. So if you watch the video and if you have any technical doubts, then you can ask Mr. Satish directly there at the webinar. Right now, if you have any doubts regarding the course, regarding the support model, or how this course will work, or any small doubt also if you have, then you can ask me or you can type it in the comment box. Anything is fine. So please carry on. If you have any doubts, you can ask me or Mr. Kattangam. We both are here for you. Thank you.
Yeah, Mr. Sai Kumar. So you can unmute your mic and you can speak. Otherwise, you can post your question in the chat box. So, sir, it is a small the request from my side. So, and one clarification also.
Yes,
So
sir. Yes, sir.
is that industry? So actually, the Murray predicted that every 18 months the density is going to double. So quite naturally, the applications are also going to be double. Is that prediction is in the continuation or it is not satisfying? What is the status? Because that tells the what is the growth rate of the industry. So if it is satisfying means there is a sharp growth in the industry, right? So the kind of applications that we are getting, so day by day. So every application, just now I have mentioned that every application that you take, so that application requires the chip. Unless you design a chip, it is not possible to implement anything, right? So as per my perception, I think that still that prediction is going on. So, but I would like to listen from your side. Dinesh or
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, so actually, as far as I know, the Moore's law was going to end in 2025 or 2020, as they predicted, that these many amount of only chips that you can put it on this many amount of semiconductors that you can put it on a chip. Yeah, this is something. But I think the best answer of this question can be given by our head of a trainer, Mr. Satish. Who can give the best answer to this. So we can ask the same question to him in the webinar, and
okay,
he can give you the best answer. And also, if Mr. Kattangam would like to add anything, because this is very technical, and Mr. Satish is the best person. He is the best among the best who can give you the answer on this.
Yes, I completely agree. Dinesh is from the industry, but we would leave it to our technical team. And I would like to be very frank here. I am basically an attorney turned into a business person and joined Maven Silicon about 8 months ago. I joined Maven Silicon for the reason that I found even IIT courses in VLSI were very lightweight when compared to what Mr. Siva was developing. So I come from a learning background, so I immediately took to advantage and was able to immediately find value in these courses, because the learning methodology what he applies is to all types of students. It can be a super intelligent student, genius, or even a mediocre student, or a student who wants to get into semiconductor industry like him. Imagine he was a triple engineer and he was not the brilliant student, but he found his way through, and he is trying to share that in the form of these courses. So that is one side. And when you are telling about this particular the processor, the limitations and the way forward, uh, sky is the limit, they say, but here there is no, it's infinite possibilities, because not focused on one type of application for one domain. You see that the chips, the microprocessor has millions, and now they want to reduce even the size of the fab, that what they call is the chip size, in now we have got into 2 Imagine what is the size, the width of a 2 yeah, it is almost less than a hair, and in that size they are fitting millions of stuff that they can get the application out to. Where we are fitting in, Maven Silicon is trying to train people to design the chips to verify the chips, and also on some domain technologies like Bluetooth and USB and data driven applications, how we can help these engineers get into this industry and make a career path, like just like the software. Many people go into software because the spread is more there, and they are finding their way through very easily because of the limited knowledge. Here it is something which is more. When you want to seek more, seek a challenge, then this is the kind of industry you have to get in. And the growth is in the last 5 years, as Mr. Kedarnath you mentioned, is tremendous. And India is the #1 country for doing this design services. Now, most of the MNCs are acquiring our India-based startups and well-established companies. Like Wipro has acquired Eximius from, they are well-established even in the US. So they have acquired that because to strengthen their engineering services. Just like Infineon, Cypress came together. Just like AMD is coming together. And like you have seen with Xilinx, like you have seen NVIDIA has spent billions of dollars to acquire ARM. So all this is happening now because the future is that the requirement is going to be threefold, and these engineers can find their way job not only easily, but also they can have a career path in a growing manner to achieve their dreams. The technical question side of it, we will definitely have it with us, and we will answer to in the next webinar, sir.
Definitely, sir.
Yeah.
Definitely.
A more elaborate technical side of it, he will be able to answer.
Okay. So one more request, sir. So when we are going to have a next session, so I request you to share some of the success stories, so that gives a lot of motivation to our students.
Okay.
Okay.
I can share if they given the time. See, just about in end of October, we transformed engineers who are like here, who are joined here. They were recruited by Samsung. They wanted, but they are not job ready. You see, where we fit in is we are not just a finishing school. We are trying to make somebody be not job ready alone. Also, we are also providing them communication skills, making them, fit into the kind of environment. See, suddenly it's a big shock of remote engineering college, wherever they come from. They have to be, competent enough to sit in that kind of an environment and work alongside with other colleagues from different various colleges and senior engineers there. So we make them ready for that by providing courses like this. For 40 engineers, they selected 20 of them to be qualified in DV and 20 of them in DD. Okay, design, digital design and design verification. So we finished this course in 60 days. They wanted it to be done in 90 days. We said yes, everything is fine. The students were amazing. They finished in 60 days and they are in the job even a month earlier.
Oh,
they're not collecting stipend. They're in the job and they're recruited already. See, this is one success story which recently happened. Now I want to tell you one more thing. Why people from the multinational companies from US come. After I joining Maven, I got the opportunity to close a large 2-year contract with Qualcomm.
Okay.
For 600 engineers. And we have done for 200 engineers already. And the next month, first week, we are going to get another 200 engineers. And the second batch is quite a big news. The people from Beijing, people from Ireland, people from San Diego are going to join from various other universities, colleges where they have been recruited by this Qualcomm. They are joining to our course, which is developed and designed in India, in Bangalore. That is a proud moment for India, because they always tie up only with the top universities, and then they train them with the trainers there. But the kind of training what we have online is in par with Harvard or Cambridge. We can very proudly tell that Mr. Sivakumar has done something out of the world for and making proud India that the courses which we are going to come up with the RISC-V also is going to be like award-winning courses. And I'm very confident the students. Why? Because it easily reaches the mind of any kind of an engineer. That they need not be super genius or intelligent. They need to be a mediocre engineer who have graduated from engineering college, and we transform them. that is the only aim for us, and we have been doing it successfully in B2C. Now it is B2B that we want to incubate a center of excellence in GNIT. With your permission and our agreement, we can do that, and I will ask Dinesh to share the MOU as well, which we can sign, where you can mention Maven Silicon has been chosen as a center of excellence in VLSI, where your students can virtually see all this. We don't have to put a brick and mortar building there, but we can virtually put it on your web page, and they can access the brief of the courses, and then they can enroll applying through Ms. Premalata, and we will make the process much more easier, as you can advise us. Now we have already signed about 4 contracts, okay, with academia, and we have signed with 250 companies. We are tied up for the B2C business. For B2B, we are starting. Even now, I am working on a MOU which I have to sign after this meeting. Yeah. So this is with one of the large companies. I can't mention the names because of confidentiality. So I would like to tell the budding engineers, this is the right moment. You please do not get distracted. ECE, EEE people can have a big time future in the semiconductor industry, and they can make their life very, very nice. I can promise you that, because we have 1,500 engineers, and they are spread across the globe, okay, in the last 5-6 years, and now every year we are transforming 500 to 800 engineers, and at least 500 engineers we are getting them placed. Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Any questions from the student side? So they can ask. So anybody, especially from final years, maybe the second years are not matured enough to ask any sort of questions as of now. It's my perception. So maybe they know pretty well about the things. But any final year student would like to ask some questions, or third year students? Yes. Any questions?
Students, if you don't have any questions, it's fine. You collect your questions for the webinar.
Yeah.
Okay. Go home, find some good questions, that you think this is a very important question in your life about VLSI, whether you should take it or whether you should not take it. You are confused, or anything if you have in mind, just write it down on a paper, and on the webinar, when a technical person will come, Mr. Satish, you are free to ask him anything. Okay. So you ask him anything on that day.
Okay.
I want everyone to ask one question on the webinar. Okay.
Yeah.
Everyone have one question ready.
Or
I
can also give an option that whatever questions comes in their mind right now, they can share it with Ms. Premalata. We can have those answers ready, and we can have Satish answer to them in the question answer session at the end of the webinar. Yeah.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. We will do that, Dr. Kedarnath. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So now students can leave. Okay. Just we would like to have some discussion on your this course itself. So I request all students to leave. Sir, just I'll join back. I have to attend one important call. Just within 2 minutes I'll start. Okay, I'll join back, sir.
No problem, sir. No problem.
Okay.
Ms. Premalata, once the students leave, and we
Yes,
are
sir.
the people, please let us know. So, yeah.
Okay. Students, please leave the session. Yes, still some students are there. Please leave. You are requested to leave the session. Pooja, Shashank, Pravalika, Bhuvana. Yes, sir.
Sorry, sir.
No problem.
Yeah. So in fact, I thought of um, asking few questions about this one, sir. So in
Okay.
fact, we are also seriously looking for one kind of MOU with the industry,
Yeah.
especially in the domain of VLSI. So recently, I found that so VLSI has got a very good scope. So even I started believing in that. So in that context, so generally our procedure is that we are going to get a proposal from your side.
Yes, sir.
So after this webinar, so or even prior to the webinar also, it's okay. So just we would like to get a proposal from your side. Then that proposal we have to forward to the higher authorities
Sure.
with all terms and conditions. What exactly you see? So whenever we are going to launch something, so definitely we have to take the permission from the higher authorities.
Sure.
So if you forward all your proposals, okay, so then the faculty members sit together and we will prepare from our side also. We will put a preparation, uh,
Okay.
prepare a proposal based
Okay.
on your whatever the quotations or whatever the proposal that you are forwarding.
Sure.
Then we can plan for the next level.
Sure.
The first level is that we are expecting some proposal from your kind. So what exactly it is, how it is going to, a small roadmap, how exactly it is going to take the shape.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Then from our end, based on your proposal, we have to put a write a proposal to our higher authorities.
Yeah.
So that is what the entire the thing. That is how the things are going to work in GNI.
Sure.
So in that context, I request you to please forward a proposal to Premlata madam. So
Sure.
we discuss and we can come back to you, sir.
Sure, sir. What Dinesh will do is he is going to share one value proposition, which
Okay.
will have for the second year, third year, and fourth year. Fourth year, we are not going to take eighth semester students. We will take seventh semester students only.
Now
So
almost 7 semester is in the verge of completion. So
completion.
now,
So
so,
the eighth semester, we don't want to bother them at the moment. So we tell them to follow the B2C model. We can connect them with our B2C team where they can directly enroll and they can do every fortnight there is a batch starting. Okay, we can do that for this time. Okay, and
okay.
for the second, third years, there will be a value proposition and the courses how it is structured. Also, we will share with you. So your other professors and they may have some technical doubts when they see that it will clarify their doubt what is covered in this entire program.
Yeah.
And the time duration is that they spend like about 5 to 8 hours they spend in a week. That is good enough. Simultaneously, imagine they are going to get a certification in VLSI that the people when they are going to do their placement interviews, the advantage is going to be that a student from a GNIT is already knowing VLSI, and let's approach GNIT and take students from there. Rather, we have to spend money and time and effort in having our technical people trained. So that is
No,
why that is
so
where we have the gap.
yeah, at the present scenario, most of these VLSI industry, they are not directly visiting colleges. They are visiting the people like you, like the training center, because
Yeah.
they are getting a good stuff from the training centers. The
Yes, sir.
most of just now you have mentioned
Yeah.
that you have tie up with 20 or 30 or 20 plus industries.
Sure.
So because they are believing as of now, the curriculum is not that supportive to the industry ready the students. So
Yeah.
that's why the most of the companies they are not visiting to campus, especially in the VLSI domain. The
Sure.
people are directly interacting with the people like you, and they are recruiting from them. So
Absolutely.
now, as you mentioned, if we project that okay, our students are trained or got more experience in this particular domain, possibly the industries may visit
Absolutely.
the
Very
campus,
good.
especially in this domain.
Yeah,
So many
definitely.
other domains the people are visiting. So we
Yeah.
are well known for our placement and other stuff. But
Yeah.
in this particular domain, hardly one company has come, I think. The core.
I
This thing.
understand. I went through your website and about you, and it is so nice. It's very professionally
you.
set up. The
Thank you.
process
Thank
is
you.
so good. I appreciate the way you are trying to, I mean, transform the students. See, just not educate them. They have to find their way and achieve their dreams. That is more
That's
important.
true.
I found in your website that you are doing all that. You are already tied up with your partners with so many other companies and institutions. There are many engineering colleges which are not even half of what you are. I got surprised actually. GNIT, Guru Nanak, I thought it's in Punjab.
Okay. Okay.
Then I told Dinesh, no. There is one Guru Nanak college, but it is not engineering. It is right 2 kilometers away from my house in Chennai. Okay,
Okay.
they are arts college. So then I was looking for your website, and then I found you are based in Secunderabad, and I am from actually Andhra, uh,
Okay.
11 generations back.
Oh,
I, I
so
tracked
now,
my family with the names of both my my ancestors. Uh,
madam, you can turn on the recording option.
oh,
Turn off
is it?
the recording option.
Where is that? I am not
No, it is.
oh,
No, madam has got the chance.
okay.
So hold
So,
on. Okay.
so what happened was, I come from there. I tracked it through my so many documentations, and 11 generation back, I found that they are from Hyderabad, and
Oh.
uh, three
Uh-huh.
generations, 3 generations lived in Hyderabad, and then I could not track after that. So almost like 400 years, and we are one of the first families in Chennai. It is recorded by the government. That
Mhm.
time we call Georgetown. So we came
Okay.
all the way down. I think during Vijayanagar Empire we came down, sir. So
Baba, Vijayanagaram is very long back, right?
yeah.
So
I
it's
think during that
444
time,
ancestors.
yeah.
444 ancestors.
They
Okay.
were traders, so
Mm.
they must have traveled and come and settled down. I think so, long time back.
Yeah.
Yeah.